I'm hot. Can you turn on the fan? I'm hot. Can you turn on the fan?
Sure, I will turn on the fan. Sure, I will turn on the fan.
I'm cold. Can I have a blanket? I'm cold. Can I have a blanket?
Yes, here's a blanket for you. Yes, here's a blanket for you.
I'm scared. Can you stay with me? I'm scared. Can you stay with me?
Of course, I'm here with you. Of course, I'm here with you.
Please help me tie my shoelaces. Please help me tie my shoelaces.
All right, I will help you tie them. All right, I will help you tie them.
Please help me clean my room. Please help me clean my room.
Sure, let's clean it together. Sure, let's clean it together.
Where is my backpack? Where is my backpack?
Your backpack is by the door. Your backpack is by the door.
I want to wear my red shirt. Where is it? I want to wear my red shirt. Where is it?
It is in your closet, on the top shelf. It is in your closet, on the top shelf.
I'm tired. Can I take a nap? I'm tired. Can I take a nap?
Yes, you can take a nap. Yes, you can take a nap.
I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? I'm thirsty. Can I have some water?
Yes, here's a glass of water. Yes, here's a glass of water.
I'm hungry. Can I have a snack? I'm hungry. Can I have a snack?
Sure, here's a snack for you. Sure, here's a snack for you.
Can I have some juice? Can I have some juice?
Yes, here is some juice for you. Yes, here is some juice for you.
Please close the door. Please close the door.
Okay, I will close it. Okay, I will close it.
Can you help me with this puzzle? Can you help me with this puzzle?
Yes, let's work on it together. Yes, let's work on it together.
I need my glasses. I need my glasses.
They are on the table. They are on the table.
Where is my homework? Where is my homework?
Your homework is in your backpack. Your homework is in your backpack.
Where is my homework? Where is my homework?
I have turned it on for you. I have turned it on for you.
I want to read a book. I want to read a book.
Here is a book you can read. Here is a book you can read.
Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
Of course, I am here to help. Of course, I am here to help.
Can you take me to the park? Can you take me to the park?
Yes, we can go to the park now. Yes, we can go to the park now.
I want to play with my friends. I want to play with my friends.
Okay, let's call your friends. Okay, let's call your friends.
I need a new pencil. I need a new pencil.
Here is a new pencil for you. Here is a new pencil for you.
Can I have some cookies? Can I have some cookies?
Yes, you can have 2 cookies. Yes, you can have 2 cookies.
I can't find my favorite toy. I can't find my favorite toy.
It's under your bed. It's under your bed.
I'm feeling sleepy. Can I go to bed? I'm feeling sleepy. Can I go to bed?
Yes, it's time to sleep. Yes, it's time to sleep.